Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for our deep dive into Belmont's asbestos risks. I'm your host, David, and let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're highlighting the absolute essentials from our article, Safe and Reliable Asbestos Services in Belmont, NSW. If you're living or working in Belmont, listening carefully could save you a lot of hassle and potentially much worse. Asbestos Removal Newcastle specialises in safe, compliant removal right across the Belmont area. Our team is fully licensed and certified, dedicated to handling asbestos with the utmost care, adhering to every local regulation and safety protocol. We're talking about real professionals ensuring your property is safe, minimising any disruption to your day. So, why us, you might ask? Well, when you're dealing with asbestos, you absolutely need a team you can trust. And that's where Asbestos Removal Newcastle truly comes in. Our fully licensed and certified professionals prioritise your safety above all else, guaranteeing compliance with all local regulations. We offer thorough asbestos removal services tailored for both residential and commercial properties. Genuinely, no job is too big or too small for us. And with our quick response times, we aim for minimal disruption to your daily routine, letting you get back to normal faster. We've got deep local expertise, meaning we recognise the unique asbestos risks specific to your area, handling everything efficiently. Protecting your family and the environment truly is our top priority here in Newcastle. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions, because knowledge is power, especially when asbestos is involved. Firstly, what's the process for asbestos removal? We start with an inspection to identify affected materials, then create a detailed removal plan. Our certified team uses specialised equipment to remove and seal the asbestos, followed by safe disposal according to environmental standards. Secondly, how do I know if my property has asbestos? If your home was constructed before the mid-1990s, there's a chance. Common areas include insulation, roofing, and flooring. A professional inspection is always best. Lastly, is asbestos removal safe? Yes, absolutely, when handled by certified professionals like us. We follow strict protocols to protect everyone from exposure, ensuring it's done safely and effectively. Beyond the immediate removal, let's talk about safeguarding your future and, importantly, your property value. You see, improper asbestos disposal can lead to serious environmental impact, potentially contaminating local air and water supplies. By choosing professionals like Asbestos Removal Newcastle, you're not just getting peace of mind from safe removal, you're actively contributing to the well-being of your entire neighbourhood. This isn't just about meeting legal obligations, it's about creating a secure atmosphere where you and your loved ones can truly thrive. Furthermore, proper asbestos removal can significantly increase your home's resale value, making it a smart financial investment. So don't procrastinate. Left unchecked, asbestos can cause structural damage and costly repairs down the line. Investing now guarantees a healthier tomorrow for you and those you care about in Belmont. If you need property advice, book a call with our asbestos removal team today for a free consultation.